Aditya Birla Capital in the latest Q3 results did post the best ever quarterly profits, and this is the first time wherein the firm has shared its 3-year aspiration target. In fact, at 80 now, we got into an exclusive interaction with none other than Ajay Srinivasan, who is the chief executive of Aditya Birla Capital. He stated that this year has been a year of 3 V's, which is vaccine, virus, as well as the V-shaped recovery. And also he stated that he is fairly bullish in terms of the India growth story. Both the Reserve Bank of India and the government have done a phenomenal job. The RBI has done a phenomenal job in ensuring financial stability in a pandemic year, as well as the recent budget was a very pro budget, and both government measures in terms of reforms along with RBI's measures would ensure a good growth path for India. He is fairly bullish in terms of India attracting good amount of capital flows, and also he is fairly bullish in terms of the overall India growth story. Speaking about Aditya Birla Capital itself, Mr. Srinivasan did mention that all the businesses wherein Aditya Birla Capital is present are seeing good amount of tailwinds, and all these businesses are likely to grow ahead, and there is significant opportunity to unlock value in each of the businesses. Mr. Srinivasan did mention that as economy grows well, the AMC business should be growing, life insurance business should be seeing a shift to the protection business, and hence that should be giving good amount of tailwind. Health insurance business is still at a nascent stage and would see growth for a lot many years, and as economy grows, of course the lending business of Aditya Birla Capital would be growing. Board in fact has given a nod to explore the IPO for the AMC business, and this is one important IPO that probably would be watched out for. He also mentioned that the board does believe that there is significant opportunity in order to unlock value in each of these businesses, and board would be taking their call. For instance, in the lending business, Mr. Srinivasan did state that the ROE for the lending business stood at 8.6% for the 9 months ending FY21. Over the next 3 years, there is an expectation to grow the book significantly and also change the mix more towards retail and SME, and they expect the NIMs to grow from 5.25% as of now to improve to 6.25% over the next 3 years. As the mix will change, that will lead the expansion in the net interest margin, and they also expect some amount of normalization coming in terms of the credit cost, and also overall the cost to income ratio is expected to trend down, and hence that should help significantly improve the overall return ratios in the lending business. He also mentioned that the payment system has payment space has definitely been disrupted by technology. However, according to Mr. Srinivasan, the lending business in India is a business wherein the physical format does still play a large piece, and he thinks that that will continue for some more time to come. He also mentioned that the best model is a model in terms of collaboration with fintechs. They have launched Biz Labs, wherein they have identified certain areas wherein they would be working with fintechs, and some of these partnerships would definitely help them further improve their segmental reach, their customer reach, and also further improve their risk management systems. He also is hopeful that the markets would be able to realize further value in terms of the businesses which Aditya Birla Capital itself is building, and he mentioned that overall he is fairly bullish in terms of India and the opportunity that India has, and there is good amount of opportunity to also unlock value in overall Aditya Birla Capital as per the board.